recognition technique. That means if you give a number, it will be recognized easily by the LeanNet. So as of you know, LeanNet is one of the familiar model, CNN deep learning model, consists of layers like pooling, max pooling. Because in the previous session I explained about the architecture of LeanNet and why so important LeanNet also. Today we are going to see directly the implementation. So first of all, we have to import the packages, import torch and like that, time, random, everything. Then we can fix the seed number 1235 and write the following functions. Then we can give root is equal to dot data. Then after downloading data from internet, it show like this. It takes some time based on internet. Again root is equal to data we are giving and mean value we are calculating. Standard mean value calculating by default. So with the help of this LeanNet, it can understand, and again is a digit 762 bottom there, and we are going to test training the transform, test for transform and train data, test data, then val ratio we are giving 0.09 like that, and valid data we are giving copy dot deep copy of valid data and followed by the print number of training example, validation example, testing example like this. If your internet speed is good, you can implement very easily. Then we are fixing batch size as a 64 and we are going to write the function called plot filter for understanding purpose, and we are using the figure is equal to plotted figure for help you to understand the digits and make it a plot also. Then we are going to give n underscore image is equal to 5. Then we are writing the function and we are going to use the horizontal filter. So horizontal filter we can give the size like -1 comma -2 followed by -1 0 comma and so on up to 1 here. Then plot underscore filter of images comma horizontal filter. So if you give the like this, we take some data from the data set and print like this original like that. So you can easily understand. Again we are giving horizontal filter. So if you want, you can try with some other measurement like 1 comma 2 comma 1. Then vertical filter giving -1 comma 0 followed by 1 and like that. So if we give like this, it will show the information. This like original and filter very easily. Again I am saying the measure of vertical filter and again it's a digits like this, and again vertical filter with some other values I am giving. So randomly can change anything, and again using the plot sum pattern, so subsample where it have some conditions. At last we are going to complete the program, implementation like original subsampled. So if you have image it will be subsampled easily here, and again subsample the image like this there. So like this you can do in number of times. I hope that you understand how we can implement LeanNet for deep learning for digits recognition like that. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.